Hi, I'm Bill Griffith. Today I just ordered this TJBot. As you see, the TJBot is a cardboard robot. You can also make it plastic with 3D printing. It's open source by IBM Research. I actually use the Adafruit one. You can see here the pricing, about 150 US. They do have some in stock. And you see the components here. It's a Raspberry Pi, all the different parts. You can also buy from SparkFun. They seem to be a little cheaper, but they don't have as many available. So now I'm going to walk through unboxing it and what's inside the package. All right. Okay, this is the new TJBot. Got from Adafruit, and this is unboxing it. And as you see in here, comes with, this is $150 US online, comes with a Raspberry Pi version 3 Model B, some cables to make wiring things up easy. It's got a micro servo, which is just kind of a little motor to make the arm wave. This is an LED, and here's the 16 gigabyte drive. Also got a camera, so I can use IBM's visual recognition AI capabilities with this image, and microphone so it can listen to you and speak back, and then a power cord. Of course, you could run the Raspberry Pi off of batteries if you want it, but looks like it's got power cords also, and a speaker to put in, USB based speaker. And then if we go under this guy, we will see the TJBot cardboard kit. And you take this out, fold it, and then put in the components. And then you can hook up the Watson services and program it. Cool. So we'll do that next. Thanks.